Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that C5 Corvettes are prone to experience. Number 1. The fuel tank sending units are prone to malfunction, causing the fuel gauge to show inaccurate fuel level. Number 2. The rubber insulator in between the hub and the pulley of the harmonic balancer tends to crack and split, causing the pulley to move out of alignment, and as a result, the serpentine belt either shreds or slips out of the pulleys. Number 3. The driveline coupling is prone to disintegrate, causing driveline noise and vibration. Number 4. Rainwater tends to leak inside the vehicle in the rear upper corner of the door glass where the door seal meets with the roof seal. Number 5. The OEM plastic gears that operate the headlight buckets tend to strip, causing the headlights not to move up or down. One way to solve this problem is to replace the plastic gears with aftermarket replacements made from brass or aluminum. Number 6. The ECM is located under the battery box, and when the battery leaks, this acid tends to damage the ECM and corrodes the electrical connections, creating electrical problems. Number 7. The AC compressor is prone to suffer premature failure. This causes the AC system not to blow cold air. Number 8. GM issue a recall to solve the problem of the steering wheel remaining in the lock position that renders the vehicle undrivable. The recall involves eliminating the steering wheel lock plate and installing a smaller hub retainer shown on the screen, along with a bypass lock relay to cancel the electrical signal that is sent by the ECM. The complete kit is shown on the screen. Number 9. The oil pressure switch is prone to develop oil leaks. The labor to replace this part is high because it's located under the intake manifold. To avoid having to remove the intake manifold, the next time this sensor starts to leak, you can relocate it using a relocation kit similar to the one shown on the screen. Number 10. The front wheel bearings are prone to experience premature failure, especially if the Corvette is driven hard around curves or in a racetrack on a regular basis. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that C5 Corvettes are prone to experience. Take care.